Watch me as I dance, I love the spotlight. Listen to the people screaming and more and more. Cause I create the feeling that keep them coming back. Yeah, I create the feeling that keep them coming back. So captivating when I get on the floor. Hurry up and patiently waiting, I know you need me. I can feel it, I'm a beast, I'm an animal. I'm that monster in the mirror. The headliner, finisher, I'm the closer, winner. That's when I get pressure with seconds left for sure. You really want more, screaming out louder. Get on the floor, bring out the fire, and light it up, take it up higher. Push it to the limit, give it more. You really want more, screaming out louder. Get on the floor, bring out the fire, and light it up, take it up higher. Push it to the limit, give it more. Get up off your hands, I'm in the zone. Jack, put 'em in the air if you want more and more. 'Cause I can break you, feel it, I go hard, can't stop. But if I stop it, just know that I'ma bring it back. Never quit, no believing that. Though y'all been patiently waiting, I know you need me. I can feel it, I'm a beast, I'm an animal. I'm that monster in the mirror. The headliner, finisher, I'm the closer, winner. That's when I get pressure with seconds left for sure. You really want more, screaming out louder. Get on the floor, bring out the fire, and light it up, take it up higher. Push it to the limit, give it more. You really want more, screaming out louder. Get on the floor, bring out the fire, and light it up, take it up higher. Push it to the limit, give it more. Push it to the limit, give it more. Push it to the limit, give it more. You really want more, screaming out louder. Get on the floor, bring out the fire, and light it up, take it up higher. Push it to the limit, give it more. You really want more, screaming out louder. Get on the floor, bring out the fire, and light it up, take it up higher. Push it to the limit, give it more. Push it to the limit, give it more.
Let's learn If You Really Want More. It's choreographed by Danica DeVoe. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn If You Really Want More. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to press our right foot forward. So you're going to take the ball of your right foot, you're going to touch it forward, and as you touch forward, you're going to bend your right knee and put your weight onto the ball of your right foot. We're going to recover back onto our left, and as we recover, we're going to hitch our right knee up. You're now going to do a right coaster step. Step your right foot back, left together, right forward. We're going to rock the ball of our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. You're now going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and you're going to cross your right over your left, but you're going to slightly step forward. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're pressing that right foot forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our left. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock, and we're going to do a left triple or a left shuffle forward. Step your left foot forward, right together, left forward. We're now going to do kickball points. You're going to kick your right foot low and forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. You're now going to kick your left foot low and forward. Quickly step your left next to your right and point your right toe to the right side. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot. You're facing 12 o'clock. You're doing your step half pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to bring our right foot in and next to our left, and now we're going to do toe touches. So you're going to take your left toe, you're going to touch it forward. Step your left next to your right and touch your right toe forward. Step your right next to your left and touch your left toe forward. Step your left next to your right and touch your right toe forward. We're now going to do a Dorothy, so we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly into that right back diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right and quickly step your right foot forward. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left, and we're going to do another Dorothy step. First, making that quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot forward. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just ended by pointing our right toe to the right side. We're going to do our step with our toe touches. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do toe switches. You're going to point your right toe to the right side. Quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right, and now we're going to do heel switches. Take your right heel, place it forward. Quickly step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right, and now we're going to cross our right over our left, and we're going to unwind a half turn over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot. You're now going to sway your hips to the right and the left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your toe switches. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our press forward. So it's press, recover, hitch, coaster, step, side rock, cross, step, half pivot, triple forward, kick, step, point, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, Dorothy, quarter Dorothy, step, point, heel, step, cross, unwind, sway, sway. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, pressing your right foot forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're starting with your press. Press, hitch, coaster, step, side rock, cross, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, kick, step, point, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, Dorothy, quarter Dorothy, step, point, heel, step, cross, unwind, sway, sway, press, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Press, hitch, coaster, step, side rock, crosses, step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Now your kick, step, points. Now step, tap, Dorothy, quarter Dorothy, step, point, step, heel, step, cross, unwind, sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope you learned. If you really want more, now that you've practiced with the tutorial, scroll to the end of the video and practice with the rear facing demo so you can rock it on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. If you really want more, if you have any questions, let me know.
If you really want love, scream it out louder. If you don't know love, bring up the fire and light it up. Take it up higher. Push it to the limit. Watch me as I dance.